today we are doing an apartment tour. I have lived here for about 9 months now, and if you didn't know, I live with my roommate Rachel, who's filming this. We'll start at my desk, or actually we'll start right here. So this is what you see when you first walk in the door. This is like where we put our keys and stuff, and we just have a bunch of random little knickknacks on here. And I got this bamboo shelf from Amazon. This is my desk. A lot of you guys have probably already seen this because I did a whole desk makeover video, but this is actually a new desk. I started out with a tiny little white one from Target, and I decided I wanted something a little bit warmer and bigger. So I got this one from Wayfair. This is just the cheapest version of the Mac desktop that you can get. And then I have a little IKEA lamp. I have this candle from Amazon, and then these little baskets from Amazon also. Coaster mouse pad from Amazon. A lot of stuff is from either Amazon, IKEA, Target, or thrifted. This chair is from Target, and this pillow is from Amazon. And then over here we have a lamp. We have some plants on the ground. These were supposed to be hung up, but we kind of just never got around to it. And also they just look kind of cute right there. We've started to enjoy the whole moving in aesthetic, I guess, where things are just kind of on the ground, and then we just kind of left them there. So like this mirror, I thrifted this in Santa Barbara. It was literally like $30. It was originally supposed to be hung up, but it is very heavy and we're renting, so we couldn't really hang it up with command strips. So it's just sitting on the ground now. It's kind of an awkward placement, but we like it. It makes the room feel bigger. And then over here we have the entertainment center. This is from Home Depot, and then we just have a bunch of little random things on it. We have some candles, we have some books. This is a candle from Anthropology that I got for Christmas a couple years ago. And then just some storage on the side. And then the main part of the living room, we have this coffee table from Urban Outfitters. We have some tulips on it right now. These are my favorite flower. We have an Ariana Grande magazine underneath. This rug is from Wayfair. This chair is from Walmart. This was originally supposed to be my desk chair, but then it just kind of didn't work out. So now it's sitting here as a little accent chair, which we actually really like because it's just an extra place for people to sit. And then we have our couch. This couch is from Living Spaces. So right here we have this little basket with all of our blankets in it. We have some more plants on the ground. We have this little plant stand that I got for Christmas. I think it's from Target. I'm not totally sure. And then we have this mirror from Hobby Lobby, which was on sale. And I have the exact same one in my room. And then this is one of my favorite parts of the house. This table is from IKEA. I think this is just such a cute little like setup right here. And then we have this mason jar vase. And then over here we have our little mini picture wall. These are just 2 pictures of us. These frames are both from JCPenney, along with the mason jar picture. Moving on to the kitchen. This kitchen we are just both in love with. It's gorgeous. It was one of the main selling points for us when like choosing this place. We have this little guitar spoon rest. This came in a set with some salt and pepper shakers that I'll show in a second. It's from JCPenney. Knife set, reusable paper towels, IKEA plants, and then the little cowgirl boot salt and pepper shakers. And then we have our little dish drying station. We have some cookbooks over here, a little thrifted cookie jar. We have this little lamp from Urban Outfitters. I highly recommend getting a little kitchen lamp because I see so many people using the overhead lights in the kitchen at night, and it just kills the whole vibe. And this just makes it so like warm and peaceful and cozy in here, and I love it. And then this candle that Rachel got for Christmas, it is vanilla and fig. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells really good here. And then over here we have a little Alexa. I won't say her name too loud. Oh, she still went off. Alexa, stop. We have our utensils. We have this unopened bottle of wine that we got when we moved in here from the realtor, just as a little housewarming gift. And we just use it as decor. And then these tulips, these are fake. Everyone always thinks that these are real when they come over, but they're not. These are from Kirkland's. I got them a long time ago. And then this little vase from the Target dollar section. We have a little grocery list over here. This is from the Container Store, and it's really cute because it like divides up all of the groceries by like the section that they're in and stuff, so it's really easy when we're grocery shopping. And then another one of my favorite parts, we have this shelf from IKEA. This is actually like 2 stacked on top of each other. So this was Rachel's idea, and I originally did not think it was gonna look good, but it looked so cute, and now it's one of my favorite parts. And I actually don't know what we would do without all of this extra like storage. It just looks pretty. I love these shelves. I love all the colors. A lot of these dishes are from IKEA. There's a few that are thrifted. This tea kettle, this is from Amazon. We have this cute little blender also from Amazon. Some pots and pans. We have this Dutch oven up here that YouTube gifted me, which is literally insane to say. It was like a little housewarming gift that they sent me when we moved in here, which like, oh my gosh, that was so nice. I have yet to use it because I don't know how to cook. but hopefully I'll use it soon. Then we have the fridge and we have a little basket on top just holding like some rags and stuff. There's also a light up here that looks really cute when it's turned on, and we love the little like arch. It's so cute. And then over here we have this little utility cart. This was originally in my dorm. I think it's from Target, and we just have a bunch of random stuff in here. I feel like this is kind of just where we throw like, I don't know, random like chips. Yeah, seasonal things. Rachel got this really adorable little like cow dish thing. She thrifted it and it's so cute. Moving on, we have a little thrifted painting right here. I thrifted this in Santa Barbara and it's still one of my favorite things I've ever thrifted. And then we have these little mirrors from the Target dollar section just to make the space feel a little bit bigger, I guess. And then this little maze over here. Also, my roommate's room is right behind me. She will be doing a room tour, so go check that out. Link in description.
There's a really sneak peek. Okay, that's
yes. Yay. So now we have the bathroom. It is not super roomy in here. It's a small bathroom. We have this little candle right here. This is from Target. It smells really good. This is the first time we've ever lit it. We have this little skincare cabinet, and that's about it for the bathroom. So now we have my room. I've been wanting to show you guys a full in-depth tour of my room for the longest time now, but I've just been waiting for the apartment tour. But you guys have already seen a lot of my room, especially in my little mini room transformation video. So starting over here, we have my vanity. This vanity is from IKEA. I have some tote bags hanging up right here, just some like perfume, this little lamp from Urban Outfitters. I get so many questions about this and I love this lamp so much. Over here, I actually have this little like plate covering the light switch. These are so easy if you want to just like spice up the room without doing too much. I got that on Amazon and it was really cheap and very easy to switch out, and I just kept the old one so I can just put it back when we move out. Now we have my dresser. My dresser is from Amazon and I just use it to set my TV on top of. We have a little like plant over here. We have my little selenite bowl of crystals and a candle that my manager gave me for the holidays. And then just in my dresser, like underwear, socks, hair stuff, actually in this one because it's just convenient next to my vanity. It's very messy. And then like PJs and stuff down here. And then this plant that I got from Trader Joe's that was so small when I first bought it and now it's huge. The pot is from IKEA. And then we have the same Hobby Lobby mirror that was in the living room. And then over here we have my little stack of books with a plant on top. I love using books as decorations. And then we have this little utility cart over here. This is from Amazon. I have my YouTube plaque, a bunch of candles. This is where I keep a lot of like camera stuff, except for this middle row. Obviously, this is just all books. A lot of these are actually thrifted books that I've never read. And then right here, this is one of my favorite parts of my room. This is my little mini picture wall. So you guys have seen this if you watched my little room transformation video. This frame is from Target. These two are thrifted, and then this one is from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack with a bunch of like little tiny frames that look like it. Over here, we have my nightstand with my lamp from Urban Outfitters, Home for Her book, a little candle from a little crystal shop in my hometown, and then a fake plant. And then right here we have like a little lap desk that I use sometimes when I'm like journaling or something in bed. Another little picture wall. This frame is from Target, that one's thrifted, and this one is Amazon in the same pack as like the other one that I showed. And all the prints are pretty much just from Pinterest, except for this one actually. This one came in the frame when I thrifted it. And now moving on to my bed, I am kind of experimenting with new bedding right now because I have had white bedding for like years, and then I saw this on a girl's TikTok, and this bedding is from IKEA and I just really wanted it. I've been so into baby pink recently. I don't know what it is, but literally I've just been buying everything that I see that's pink. So I bought this duvet cover. I actually really like it. It's really nice quality. I have this little bear that's from Target. This little knit star pillow that's actually a tree topper, and it's from Target. And then this little throw blanket. This is also from Target. And then my other nightstand right here, again from IKEA. More thrifted books as decor. Another fake plant, salt lamp from Urban Outfitters, candle from Target, and this little jewelry dish from Daiso that's so cute. So right here we have my calendar. I have learned that it really helps me to have like a physical calendar in my room that I can see every single day and easily like jot stuff down on. And then over here there's just some like random prints and stickers. I got this postcard in Hawaii. This print I had from my old room, and then some Glossier and Brandy stickers. And then right here I have another little thrifted mirror, and then my fan that kind of just stays here because I just use it when I'm like sleeping and stuff. And then my closet, which is messy. I'll give you guys like a little look, but it is very messy right now. Don't look too close. That is it for the apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for my roommate's room tour video. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.